Hello friends, my name is Ajay Kot. Today topic is wrapper classes in Java. The wrapper classes in Java is provided to the mechanism is to convert the primitive into the object and object into the primitive. Since J2SE 5.0 outboxing and inboxing features is convert the primitive into the object and object into the primitive automatically. The automatically conversion to the primitive into the object is known as the outboxing of the vice versa inboxing. Use of the wrapper classes in Java. Java is the object-oriented programming language. So we need to the details with the object many times like the collection, serialization, etc. It is say different serialization where the need to the wrapper classes. Change the value of method. First, Java support only call by the value. So if we pass to the primitive value, it will be not change the original value, but if we convert the primitive value in object, it will be change the original value. Serialization. We need to convert the object into the stream to the perform the serialization. If we have the primitive value, we can the convert in object to the wrapper classes. Serialization. Java until package. The Java until package provided to the until classes to the deal with the object. Collection framework. Java collection framework work with the object only. All classes of the collection framework, array list, linked list, vector, linked hash sheet, third sheet, etc. deal with the object only. The need to classes to the Java along the package is known as the wrapper classes in Java. Second point is the outboxing. The automatically conversion of the primitive data type into the its corresponding the wrapper classes is known as the outboxing. The example of the characteristics to characteristic, int to integer, long to long, fold to fold, balloon to balloon, double to double, and short to short. Since the Java 5 we do not need to the use of the value of method of the wrapper classes to convert the primitive and into the object. Inboxing. The automatic conversion of the wrapper type into the its corresponding the primitive type is known as the inboxing. It is the reverse process of outboxing. Since the Java 5 we do not need to the use of the int value method of the wrapper classes to convert the wrapper type of into the primitive. Customer wrapper classes in Java. Java wrapper classes warp the primitive data type that is the way it is known as the wrapper classes. We can also create the classes which is the wrapper primitive data type. So we can create the customer wrapper classes in Java. The difference between the wrapper classes and primitive type. Primitive wrapper classes are not the same thing are the primitive type. However, variable for the example can be declared in the Java as the data type, double short, int, etc. The primitive wrapper classes is create the install the object and method that is the inherited but is the hide primitive data type, not like the variable that is the assign the data the value. Therefore, then the primitive wrapper class does not means the wrapper classes are primitive type is should be understood to be the class that the wrapper primitive type. Wrapper classes can be used to the store the same value is the primitive type variable but the install object of the wrapper classes. And non-primitive we cannot be save the wrapper classes themselves the primitive type. Thank you.